A box of dry fruits was brought to our house. Everyone ate those cashew and kismis. Almond and pistachio got left. That's why I thought, why not to try some new and unique dessert recipe with these two things? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Udorpurti. Today our recipe is Badam Kheer. At first, you have to blend some overnight soaked almonds with some milk. You have to remove the skin before blending. Now in other bowl, take some milk, put some kesar strand for kesar milk and set aside. Now take 1 liter of full fat milk and put some cardamom or elaichi. Once the milk boils, add kesar milk and bring the milk to 2/3. Now add that badam paste. You have to stir continuously after adding badam. After 5 to 7 minutes, add sugar as per your taste. Cook for near about 10 minutes. Add some chopped pistachio. And your kheer is ready. Top it with dry fruits of your choice. Serve hot or chilled as you like. A very easy and less time consuming dessert recipe is here. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.